Hey guys, it's Sarah here with New England Junk Journals. I am in the throes of creativity here with one of these nature journals, but I wanted to stop and show you the three that are the closest to being done. They're not done by any stretch of the imagination, but they're closer than the others, and I just wanted to give you guys an update as to how far I have gotten with these. So it's just going to be a quick flip through just to give you guys an idea about where we're at with these. So this is the one with this beautiful green and almost a dark blue spine fabric. And I haven't done anything here. I'll probably put a nice big pocket here, or I may clip in a tag, not quite sure yet. But I've got these stitched up. So I've got a nice side pocket here. And I've got some extra wallpaper in here. I did add some. I've done some collaging here and stitched up this bottom pocket. Got some Edith Holden, some texture here. In the middle, I've also added some collage, some pockets here. I think you guys saw all the stenciling. Another little pocket here. This is, let me see, a pocket here and a pocket here. Second signature. I've done a lot of collaging in these. It's a piece of vellum. Here is some ledger that folds out like that. Some more wallpaper. This came out of a nature guide or a nature journaling book. There's some more of that antique rag paper botany book. And here is, I did reinforce, I think I showed you guys before, I've been reinforcing some of the fragile paper with some rag paper margins that I had. So like I said, it's got a long way to go, but I've done a lot in here as well. So, and then this on the back is a vellum pocket. And then third signature. This needs a lot more embellishing, but I've got these pockets all sewn up. Some beautiful collage. Then upper tuck here. And then another upper tuck on this side. Another little pocket here. And then this has a pocket here and a smaller pocket in front. And that's this one. This one, I think I'm going to refer to it as my dark blue journal. And next one, I've showed you guys most of this. It's my blue and red journal. So we've got side pocket here. trying to think if there's anything I've added to it other than like some, hopefully you can see, some collage. Let's have that flip out. This has a spot to open up for some secret journaling. Here's another upper tuck. First signature. With some nice vellum that's been inked up. This is actually a little tuck spot right there as well. A little tuck here. And then this is another vellum pocket. So it's a little pocket here. Nice deep pocket here. Some embroidered fabric that I had. Another nice deep pocket, some collage. And this is another pocket here. These each are gonna have like their own character. And then a side pocket here. So that is my blue and red. This one, I love this. This is a beautiful grass cloth wallpaper that I used on the spine. This is my light blue. I've got a side tuck here. Another little pocket here. Some wallpaper, Edith Holden, like you've seen. This time on the rag paper, I just put this little like journaling spot. This is beautiful. I got this in some Happy Mail from Angela along with a purchase that I made. And this came out of a vellum vintage greeting card. Got another big pocket here. So I've experimented with different ones with some fabric reinforcements, some of the rag paper reinforcements. This needs some decorating here. That's definitely not done yet. I've been trying to do it as I go, so I can see that there are some spots that I did miss. But I'll be going through these several times anyway, so I'm sure there'll be a lot of things that I catch. This was just reinforced with some paper, some pretty digitals, and some fabric inside. This is reinforced with fabric. And of course, these will get like little things hinged onto them. Some nice wallpaper here. And these, of course, are the antique book plates. They're very, very pretty, very old. a collage here. I almost thought there was a pocket. There's no pocket there. But there is a pocket here on the back. And that's not a pocket. Okay, I'm just going to reinforce that a little bit. I thought it was a pocket though. Yes, it is. Okay, never mind. I take it back. It is a pocket. Just had a little bit of glue there. Whoop. Like, oh my goodness. Come on, girl. I used a lot of pretty background papers that I got from Deb over at Ink and Page. This has got a nice upper tuck right here. And then a little pocket there, and this little wallpaper that's in the middle. I'm gonna do some skinny tags to fit on either side of those. Another upper tuck here. I've got some of this is some antique end papers that I used to collage. And then here's a little pocket here. I'll be sure to add something on the backs of those. But again, I'll be adding more as I go along. I'm just kind of trying to get the basics for now. And this is my pink one. I'm not quite through. I've only finished the first signature. Little pocket here. So after this pink one, I have one more left. And then I'll go through and add all the little flip outs. And then I'm going to be moving on to ephemera. So I just wanted to give you guys kind of a little overview, see how far we've gotten, just so that you're not wondering. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys had a good day today. And I am going to go head down, start dinner, and spend some time with the family. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I pray that you be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.